and watch this full haircut tutorial. First of all, 1.5 with the grain. Then put your skin line in where you want the fade to end. The 1.5 is just debulking the side. Then flatten it with the number 1. Then back up to your invisible line with the 1.5 and flick out. The open one up and flick out. Then close the lever, then go up to the same place and flick out. Flatten it with the open blade, come from under the skin line with the open blade and flick out. Close the lever a little bit, come from under the skin line, through and flick out. Close it more, then come from under the skin line and flick out the skin line. With the shape up, start from the bottom and go up in a straight line. Then from the middle, go straight across in a straight line and meet the sideline. Comb it out and go over it again. And keep combing it out till it's really clean. As you see what I'm doing right now, combed it out, going over it, and you can see we're producing clean lines. Refine the haircut by just looking at patches you need to go over, smoothing over the top with the open blade, and there we have it. Full haircut tutorial. You've been in the cut with SliderCuts. Make sure to follow if you're not doing it already, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this haircut.